Hello and welcome to Four Clovers Quilting. My name is Diahn. Well, we are into March and I'm going to talk about what I got done on February's project, which was the Kitty Cats pattern by Cluck Cluck Sew. You know, you guys, this was really fun. I did get the top done, and in fact I finished it today. So here's a little peek at these kitties. They were so fun to do, and they turned out so cute and so bright and fun. So I got the top done, you guys. I did make it a hair bigger. I added another row across the top or across the bottom, whichever you'd like to say. And let's see if I can get this kind of shimmy-shammed into the right order. And it turned out, I think it was 59 by 83, I think, in that area. And the cover quilt, I just did one more row across the bottom. So I had a 4x5 layout instead of a 4x4. And the cover quilt that shows here is 59 by 66. So I think mine was 59 by 83. So my hair sticking straight up, ruffled it up with the quilt. But anyway, really fun. I enjoyed it. I do have a couple of tips if you have a kind of directional background like mine is. These dots to me look directional. It's like they're dripping or they're coming this way. So that was a little bit of a challenge that if I would have thought about it, I probably wouldn't have used this as a background, just because you had to think a little bit more. But it worked. I had to do a little ripping and flip and flopping, but you know, it wasn't too bad. Okay, Shelley Robson from the Quilted Forest picked number 7 for the March project. Number 7 is The Weekender, of my project is The Weekender by A Quilting Life. And I have been wanting to do this. I saw this pattern and I picked up all the stuff I needed. Well, let's just say I picked up the 2 honey buns, and you need 2 honey buns and 2 mini charm packs. So I picked up 2 honey buns and a matching charm square. So I'm going to cut those up. I'm going to do this all in solids. We're just going to do something a little different. So my 2 honey buns are these Kona bright palette. That's what they're called. And little guys, and look at those colors, you guys. Doesn't that look fun? Ah! So I'm super excited to bust into these. And then I did get my charm packs a little tore up because I've been moving it around for years. And this is called the New Bright palette. So I wonder if there's not maybe a variation of a color or 2 in there. So I'm gonna cut those up into mini charms, or I'm probably just gonna cut one side and into mini charms. Then I'll have this 2.5 by 5 inch rectangle for something else. So I'm gonna cut those up, and I am going to, I hemmed and hawed of what I'm doing. So we need, let's look at the front here. We need sashing strips. And I thought the sashing strips were just part of this honey bun, but it's not. They have a solid, or they have the same color for all the sashing strips throughout, which is that little tiny corally floral. Well, I'm going to do white. Kerchunk. We're doing white. And for all the little sashing posts and the side setting triangles all around here and the corner triangles, I'm doing black. I hope it looks okay, but I'm thinking that how great a contrast is that? So I'm hoping that's going to look okay. I'm going to do black cornerstones and side setting triangles and white sashing, and hopefully they'll all pop off of that. So I'm super excited to get these ready to roll. Lay these out, bust them open, because, you know, oh man, once you bust open a roll, it just never looks the same. And doesn't it look like a yummy lollipop? I just thought it was so cute. So I'm going to get these busted open, get my sashing strips ironed, or my 2 yardage fabrics ironed, and get those trimmed up and ready to roll. And we're gonna start on the Weekender. So you guys, this is pick number 7 if you guys are following along. And let me know what you're doing. If you've done, have you done this weekender quilt? Have you done the kitty cats quilt? So that video I have to piece together, edit, and it'll be out hopefully within the week. So you guys, we've got the kitty cats done and the weekender coming up. So you guys, thank you so much for coming along on this quick little video on February's project and March's project. And I will see you guys soon. This is Diahn at 4 Clovers Quilting. See you soon. Bye.